2020 Honda Civic 4-door, the headlight, bulb, how to swap it, switch it. Okay, so very simple, same procedure here. You have a little bit of wiring, don't worry about it. But on this side, you come on this side, you go back here, guys. All you do is you push down on this little pin, this connector here, and this connector comes out, okay, just like that. And to put it back, you push it up, okay. To replace this bulb, you take this bulb and you turn it. So all I did was, let me put it back. All I did was I turned it. If you was to face it from the back end, you turn it counterclockwise, just like that, and the bulb comes right out. The bulb size here is H11, so I'm waiting on a bulb, but I'm gonna show you how to do it before I even get the bulb. So if your high beam or low beam is out, it's a one bulb with the dual flare inside. So you take this bulb, make sure you do not touch the lens, the glass area. If you do touch it by mistake, clean it, okay? That will kill the bulb fast. Anyways, you're gonna try to find the same position, okay? Or you wiggle it around till you find those slots go in. Let me just show you the slots. All right, so you see these little groove teeth on the edges, they're bigger and shorter, so they're only gonna go one way, okay? You cannot mess it up. If you try to force it in, you're gonna damage things, don't do that. Or you could just mark it where it came out from, like right in that angle, and you turn it clockwise, and that's it. You take your connector and you push this connector in. Bada bing, bada boom. Took me 1 minute and 30 seconds with the explanation. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. This is the Honda Civic I have over here. All right, so again, thank you, and subscribe, and bye-bye.